Sanibona bafowethu, ubhuti kaSamuyelisiwe kuwela lo eMzumbe, unkosikazi kaMseleku. Bafowethu, cabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayizwile lento ey'ndabeni ey'ningi kuma-social media, nakuma-newspaper, indaba zokuthi uMusa amakhosikazi akhe sehlala eThekwini. No, ayikho ingxabano phakathi kwasisi namakhosikazi kaMusa amadala. Kuyikona ukuthi laba bantu kuxoxisanile nabo, even babize thina singosibari babo abantu bakakhwela uMusa, sibizile thina singosibari bakhe, mina njengobhuti nje omdala kaSamuyelisiwe. Wase sichazela ukuthi no, amakhosikazi la amanye uyawasusa eMzumbe kuba sehlala isikhathi eside, kuzobe sekuhlala yena-ke usisi uSamuyelisiwe. So sasithina siwumndeni no, asiyiboni into eyinkinga lapho, because vele ushadele emzini. Akuthi amakhosikazi amanye enze njani, ayikho ukuthi inkinga, futhi abanangxabano-ke usisi namakhosikazi kaMseleku. Manje into esesiphatha kabuhlungu, asikwazi ngisho ukuhamba endleleni enaba abantu bezindaba bayay'tatheli, ziyasibuza imibuzo, nosisi akasakhululekile. Nami njengobhuti wakhe sengikhuluma njalo kancane kancane, ngiyafonelwa kuthiwa kwenzakalani. No bafethu, sicela bafethu nisikeze i-private, siyayithanda nathi i-private somndeni. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Newspaper Izolezwe likhiphe stories ukuthi abafati baMusa Mseleku labathathu, uMakhumalo, uMangwabe kanye noMaqele, actually not uMaqele, uMayeni, bahambile bashiya uMusa Mseleku lapha ahlala khona eMzumbe, lapha bahlala khona eMzumbe bayohlala eThekwini, and the other one uhlala ePortshepstone. So kuthiwa umuntu losekasele nguMaqele, and we know ukuthi uMaqele akahlali eMzumbe. uMaqele uhlala eSeapark ekhaya lakhe, because washo ukuthi yena ayikasakhona ukuhlala nalabanye abafati in one yard ne. So uthi lo mfana lo khuluma ngolena, yena uklema ukuthi yena ungibhuti waSamngekhwela. Samngekhwela umfati waMusa Mseleku wesi-5 lo wokugcina. Uthi yena ucela ukuthi bantu nje nabahlukane nabo phansi, even bantu bema-newspapers bayabahlukubeda la bahamba khona, kufuna bahlale babashutha benamavidiyo babutatenza abantu baMusa Mseleku, babutatenza abantu ukuthi baphi bafati baMusa Mseleku. Uthi yena akati lutho, futhi nje akahlangani nokuhlangana nako lokho. Yena uthi akasakhoni kuphila a normal life because there are always cameras ebusweni bakhe babhizi bambutatenza adalapha ekhaya Mseleku. Uthi yena akatati just because yena sisi wakhe umfati waMusa Mseleku wesi-5 akusho ukuthi sekufuna babahlukubede bahlale babutatenza kangenelani naloko. Futhi uthi yena sisi wakhe akasi reason why bafati baMusa Mseleku bahambile, like she's not the reason why abafati baMusa Mseleku badecide kushiya Musa Mseleku bayohlala eThekwini. And people are really asking themselves ukuthi ubuyaphi lo bhuti lo sekadibida ngabhuti Samngekhwela, because Samngekhwela siyakhumbula ukuthi awukakhuluma naMaqele, Maqele ambude ukuthi bayingaka ekhaya kubo wathi yena uyi-1. So people are thinking ukuthi okay, mhlawumbe angasho ukuthi umbhuti wa Samngekhwela because mhlawumbe umntwana mamkhulu or umntwana mamncane. So bana abaningi badideka nje lapho ukuthi wena uhlobana njani naSamngekhwela. So siyathi ukuthi uthando nesithembu liphelile, luyoze kubuye next year for another season. That's if litobuya, because we are not even sure at this point, because tento besetemshubela kuMusa Mseleku lokwenta abantu batibude kokuthi itobuya yini next year for another season, because this season nje hayi Musa Mseleku ngazuthi nje nabekangayiphathi ngedandla, bomayini bebamkhwela enhloko, like nje bekahlala khala gula. So bantu batibude ukuthi itobuya yini another season and next year. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.